Welcome to the Anna Darpan Contract Management Module demo. In Anna Darpan, multimodal contracts enable the engagement of contractors who can handle transportation across multiple modes, such as ship, river port, or ship-port logistics channels. These contracts provide flexibility and operational continuity, especially for complex movement requirements. This video explains how a multimodal contract is created, viewed, edited, and approved at the regional level. Log in as regional office staff and navigate to contract management. Create a multimodal contract. Select the contract type as ad hoc contract or regular. Select the district name, enter the contract name, and enter the contract start and end dates along with the tender number and security amount. Proceed to enter the bank guarantee details, including BG number, issuing bank name, amount, issue date, valid up to date, and extension date. If additional bank guarantee details are required, enable the option, add more rows using the Add Record button, or remove unnecessary rows using the Delete option. In the route details section, select the source type and source location, destination type, destination region, and destination depot. Enter the distance in kilometers, rate in metric tons, number of trucks, and volume in metric tons. Enable the two-way option if the contract is applicable for return movement. Select the rate in kilometers option if kilometer-based rates are applicable and add additional route records if required. After reviewing all the entered details, click on Submit to create the multimodal contract. Now navigate to Multimodal Contract List. Click on the View icon to open and review the complete contract details, then click back to List to return. To edit the contract, click on the Edit icon against the required contract. Update the necessary fields, and click Submit to save the updates. To verify the updated value, review the changes again by navigating to View List. Log in as a regional manager and navigate to Contract Management, Multimodal Contract List, and the Pending tab. Click on the View icon to review the contract details thoroughly. The user can either reject the contract using the Reject button or proceed with approval. For this demonstration, click on the Approve icon. Confirm the approval in the confirmation dialog. This completes the multimodal contract workflow in Anna Darpan. By following this process, regional officers can efficiently manage flexible, multi-mode transportation contracts while ensuring proper approvals and operational readiness. Thank you.